Hi friends, happy Friday. So for math today we're finishing up our 8 times table. We're almost at the end of multiplication, which is super exciting because I know you guys have done an amazing job. So let's get started. We'll do a little skip counting like we usually do. We'll do a couple problems and then you can work on your worksheets. Okay? So remember friends, when we skip count by a number, we always start with that number. So this week we've been skip counting by 8, so we're always going to start with the number 8. So I want everybody to skip count with me. Remember, when you see it, say it, hear it, you're more likely to remember it. So let's get started. So we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Let's do it again. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Awesome job, friends. So now we have our first multiplication problem. We have 5 times 8. Now, remember, we have a few methods that we could use. We can make equal groups. And to make equal groups, our first number is going to tell us how many groups we need. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Because I see a 5 here. So I made my 5 groups. Now my second number tells me how many I need in each group. And how many should I put in each group, friends? 8. Awesome job. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. Okay. So now we have our 5 groups with 8 in each group. So now I can skip count by 8 on my groups. So ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So I now know that 5 times 8 equals 40. Now I can double check my work by my touch points, or if this is the method that you want to use, that's fine too. So I have 5 here and I have 5 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to look at my second number, which is an 8, and that tells me what I need to skip count by. So we're going to skip count by 8 on our 5 touch points. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 5 times 8 equals 40. Awesome job, friends. Let me clear my screen. Now the next problem, friends, we have 13 times 8. And my first number has 2 digits in it, 1 and 3. So that means my 8 has 2 jobs. It has to multiply by the 3 and by the 1. And just like addition and subtraction, we're going to start at our ones place. So I'm going to do 3 times 8. Now friends, you could make 3 groups and put 8 in each group, Or you can skip count on the touch points, which is what I'm going to do today for time's sake. So I don't want to run out of time. So I have my 3 here, and I have 3 touch points. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip count by 8 on my 3 touch points. So 8, 16, 24. Now 24 looks like this. And we know we don't have enough room to write both digits here because we have to make room for the 1 times 8 problem. So I take my 2 and put it above my tens place, and I put my 4 in the answer of my ones place. Now I can do 1 times 8. And I know that 1 times any number is always that number. So 1 times 8 is going to equal 8. But I'm not done. I have 1 times 8 equals 8 plus 2. So I have 8, 9, 10. Well, my friends, I don't have any more problems to do after this, so I can put 10 here. I have plenty of room. So 13 times 8 equals 104. All right, friends, so we've been doing multiplication for a while. We're almost finished, I promise. You're all doing amazing, though. Keep up the great work. Remember, your first number tells you either how many groups you need or how many touch points you're going to add. And then you're either going to skip count on your touch points or on your equal groups. Easy peasy. Use your reference sheets to help you if you need them. If you don't need them, great. All right, friends, have a great weekend. Bye.